Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tips for Longevity. We all know there is currently an outbreak of respiratory disease caused by coronavirus. So, health professionals always make people aware how to protect from the virus. Among safety precautions, major place is given to hand washing. So, today I am going to show you how to prepare a herbal hand sanitizer. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe us and click the bell icon to get instant notifications. When it comes to preventing the spread of infectious diseases like COVID-19, nothing beats good old-fashioned hand washing. But if water and soap are not available, next best option is to use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contain at least 60% of alcohol. According to WHO recommendations, to prepare a hand sanitizer, you need isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, glycerine, hydrogen peroxide, and sterile distilled water or boiled cold water. You need to take these in standard amounts. So, let's see how to prepare this herbal sanitizer. To prepare the herbal sanitizer, you need neem leaves. In Sinhala, we called it as kohamba. Then, you need tulsi leaves. This is the tulsi plant and it is called Hen Madurutala in Sinhala. This is aloe vera. You need to take the aloe gel to prepare this hand sanitizer. This is sweet flag plant. In Sinhala, we called it as kaha. We take the rhizome of it. This is a fresh rhizome. And this is a dried one. All these plants are having the property of destroying microorganisms. You can add rhizome of turmeric also. Then you have to clean all the ingredients and separate the leaves of neem and tulsi. And you have to take the gel of aloe vera and cut the rhizome of sweet flag into small pieces. We are using aloe vera instead of glycerine. Today I am going to prepare 1 liter of herbal hand sanitizer. First, you have to take a clean vessel and add water into it. Water should be enough to boil the ingredients. Then you can add neem leaves, tulsi leaves and rhizome of sweet flag into the water container. Then keep the vessel on a cooker and allow it to boil for few minutes. When it is boiling, color of water changes to light yellow. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can turn off the flame and strain it into another clean vessel. You can notice the color changed very well. Then keep it aside to cool down. Now first step is over. As we are preparing 1 liter of herbal hand sanitizer to kill the microorganisms effectively, it should contain at least 60% of alcohol. So you need to measure about 600 to 750 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. Measure that amount and add it into another clean container. Then measure 250 milliliters to 400 milliliters of leaves boiled water. The amount is depend on the amount of alcohol you measured earlier. Then add it to the same container and mix it well. Now you can add aloe gel. You can add about 15 milliliters of aloe gel. Aloe vera is a moisturizer that will stop your skin drying out. Then you can add turmeric powder too, because turmeric powder also having the properties of destroying microorganisms. After that, you can add 1 to 2 drops of lavender oil to it. Then mix it well. Lavender oil gives a nice smell to the hand sanitizer. Now take a clean bottle like this. Make sure that bottle is 100% clean. It is good to use a sterile bottle. Then fill it. Now it is ready to use. Apply the product on the palm of one hand. Rub hands together. Cover all surfaces until hands feel dry. It will take about 30 seconds. Do not rinse or wipe off the hand sanitizer before it's dry. It may not work well against germs. And remember that do not use a hand sanitizer if your hands are visibly dirty. In such a condition, you should wash your hands with soap and water. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with us for more videos.